I'm Valentina.
I'm Kennedy.
I'm Kyla.
And this is our documentary film on the importance of history.
The purpose of our film is to let future generations know how important it is for them to know what happened to their families in the past.
Now we're going to give you a summary about what the Persian Gulf War was.
The Persian Gulf War started on August 2nd, 1990 and lasted until February 25th, 1991, which means the war was approximately 6 to 7 months long.
On August 2nd, 1990, Iraq invaded Kuwait. At the time of the invasion, Iraq owed Kuwait $14 billion that Kuwait had loaned to them from the Iran to Iraq War.
So Iraq felt Kuwait was overproducing oil, lowering prices, and hurting Iraq's oil profits in a time of financial stress, which caused Iraq to want to take over their oil production.
Now we're going to call my great uncle and we're going to talk to him about the Persian Gulf War in 1990.
It seems like it was 1997, but I could be mistaken. It was it was less than 1 year.
Okay. How did the war start?
That's a great question. The war led up to the war was the country of Iraq invaded their neighboring country of Kuwait. And Kuwait's a very small little nation right on the northern, and Iraq invaded them, and for no obvious reason, but Kuwait is a very rich country because they have a lot of oil production. So Iraq wanted to take over Kuwait's oil field. The Iraqis determined that they were going to attack the country of Kuwait in order to have access to their oil fields. And Kuwait, of course, they're a small country. They don't even have any military forces, and so they were overwhelmed quickly, and Iraq stayed there, and the United States, along with other countries, a coalition of other nations, told Iraq that they had to leave by a certain date, or else we would then enter into the conflict and force Iraq to leave Kuwait, and that happened. They didn't leave, and so we attacked.
Now we're going to explain what Chloe's great-uncle said in simpler words. Chloe's great-uncle stated that the war started in 1990, which was less than a year, and the war started by Iraq wanting to take over Kuwait's oil fields. They were determined to attack for oil.
So Kuwait was overwhelmed since they're such a small country, and other nations, including US, told Iraq to leave by a certain date.
Or the U.S. would force Iraq to leave, which meant war, and this was how the Persian Gulf War started.
This concludes our documentary on the Persian Gulf War. Thank you for watching.
Wait, I messed up.
Go.
Now we're going to say what Chloe's great-grandpa said.
Great-uncle.
It's great-uncle. I forgot.
Okay, ready? Okay, so Kuwait...
Okay, come on.
I got Chloe.
Okay.